Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, everyone, depending with the place where you are. Today, I'll be presenting something. I would like to present something about um, Forex trading. Uh, I'm sure that you once get through or you once heard something about Forex trading. So I'm going to help some of the people. I know there are people who have heard about Forex, and there are also people who have just tried to read or try to find something about Forex, but they don't know where to get it. So today I'm going to help you and teach you and to let you know something about Forex trading. I'm going to do something simple. I'll be reading the book called The Candle Bible Stick, Trading Bible Stick. This is the book, as you can see. Here it is written. Uh, here it is written, The Candle Stick Trading Bible. So I'm going to read and also explain so that you understand this concept, these things of trading. So today we are going to talk about candlestick anatomy and some of the things about candlesticks. So you must understand, first of all, number one, you must understand about the candlestick on its own, the anatomy of the candlesticks. So just as human beings, you must know about the candlestick, the size. There are different sizes or the bodies of candles. There are different types and sizes of the bodies of candles. So you must know these things before you get into trading. Uh, the reason why many people are losing money in forex trading is because they quickly get into forex trading and they think forex trading is like betting or something that just gives money without working. You need to go through learning. That's why there are these books that gives you knowledge. Knowledge is power. I remember there's a certain word that is being said in forex, like get skill before you make skill. Hallelujah. Sorry, I'm used to preaching. I'm now saying hallelujah. Anyway, yeah, I'm supposed to say hallelujah because you see, this is a Bible. So to make it funny and interesting, and you so that you can enjoy it, I need to say something like this. So we are going to go through these things. If you have a question, just write it in the comment section, and I will help you answering all those questions. And also tell me about what should I teach, what should I upload on my channel, so that you benefit according to what the audience want to hear. I'll try by all means to find something about it, and I will explain to you. So today I want to explain something about candlesticks. Let me get into my things very quickly before I lose or before I go out of the way. Let me go quickly and present this topic to you and present this thing about candlesticks. So first of all, you must know that there are types of candlesticks that you need to know. That candlesticks are defined and they've got names because of their bodies, size, and their structures. So we are going to check some of the candlesticks down there, and you must know also that in a candlesticks, they also number two. This is number two. They makes us to understand or to analyze the market and to know how the market is behaving, the behavior and the movement of the market. So you must know that the candlestick, they can help us to analyze the market. So we are going to see also that the structure of the market is also determined by the pattern of the candlesticks. Then number four, we are going to see again that there are time frames that you can detect, or you can put or see the candlesticks you can see in the market structure depending on the time frame. So you're going to see that even the trend line and so forth, you're going to see all those things. Then we're going to talk about trading strategies in the coming videos. So today we just want to go quickly and talk about candlesticks. So this is the history about candlesticks. I will not say a lot about it, but I'll upload something for it. So let me just quickly get into business and explain about what is a candlestick. Yeah, here we are. What is a candlestick? So this is just a Japanese candlestick that were formed using the open, the high, the low, and the close of. So this is the basic. Take note of this. This is the basic of Forex. You must know about candlesticks before you do anything. So I want to teach you the basic. So this time you must know that for a candlestick, it is made up of what? Of an upper. It is made up. Let me take this drawing so that you understand. It is made up of what? Of an upper shadow, and also it is made up of a what? Of a lower shadow. Sorry. Then there is what we call the real body. This one is the real body. So the upper shadow is this one. This one is the upper shadow, and this one is the lower shadow. So on the real body, you will see that there is what we call the open and also what we call the close. And also, you must know that there are two types of candlestick. We have the one called the bullish and also the what? The bearish. So this one, the first one is the bullish candlestick. And the second one, we are seeing this one, which is in black color, is the bullish candlestick. So you must understand that when you talk about the bullish candlestick, it's a buying candlestick. The candlestick, it opens on the down surface, and it closes on the upper surface of what? Of the real body. So this is the bullish candlestick that we are talking about. This one is the bullish candlestick. So the bullish candlestick come into existence in the market when the open is lower and the close is upper. Then we go here, same applies. We have the upper shadow. This is our upper shadow, and we also have the what? The lower shadow. Okay, so you must know that there is also a body, the real body, that makes up a candlestick. This one is the body. So on the body, that's where we find, take note, that's where we find the open and the close. So remember what I'm saying, you must be able to differentiate the bullish candlestick and the bearish candlestick. So the first one is the bullish candlestick, and the second one is the bearish candlestick. The difference between these two is the open of the bullish candlestick is on upper, is on downwards, and the close is on upper of the open. Then on the bearish candlestick, we can see that the open is upper, then it moves, which means it moves down like this. When the market moves with time, it will be moving down like this, and it forms a close downwards, the open. So that's where it is called a what? A bullish candlestick. Are we getting it? So these things are the move with the period and time. So take note that we have two types of candlestick. This one, it opens here. It opens here, then it moves. So I'll make an arrow like this. It will move like this, going upward, making it to be what? To have a close on the upper of what? Of the candlestick, on the upper of the open. Then on this one is called, bearish. Sorry, I'll write like a grade 1, but as long as you understand it, this one is the bearish candlestick, and this one is a bullish. Bullish. Is a bullish candlestick. So take note, we have two candlesticks here, a bullish and a bearish. So you must know the difference that I was explaining about the candlesticks, that we have two types. So these are the notes down on this downwards. If the close is above the open, what I was explaining, if the close is above the open, It is called a bullish candlestick. Then if the close, in which means the market is rising up in a period of time, the bullish candlestick is always displayed as white candlestick. The most trading platform uses white color, but to prefer the bullish candlestick, but the color doesn't matter. You can use whatever color you want. The most important in the open price and is the opening price and the close price. That this is the opening price and the close price are the one that make you to determine whether this is a bullish or a bearish. So take note of that. So if the close is below, we are now talking here. We are now talking about what? We are now talking about bearish. We are now talking about bearish. Sorry. Let me rub this and start again. So here on this one, on this point, we are now talking about the bearish. This is not a bearish thing. So on the bearish, we are seeing that if the close is below the open, so take note of the open and the below. Then we say that the candlestick is a bearish. These are important. Before you enter in the market, before you know more about Forex trading, you must be familiar, or you must know these things so that you become a profitable trader. Trading is not easy, is what you may think of. But if you have good knowledge, it becomes easy. I'm into Bible most of the time. The Bible says, my people are perished because they lack knowledge. So why are we losing money in Forex? Why are we losing a lot? Why people are losing billions? Why people are losing millions or even $100? It's because of the lack of knowledge. So listen and take these notes properly so that you will not lose it. You will not lose your money in Forex trading, but become a profitable trader. So you must take step by step as we go on. I'll be uploading these videos and I'll make sure that I make them precise and short and also meaningful so that you benefit something. So bearish candlestick, there is an open on the top and it close on the down, which is this one. The open is on the top and the close is on the down. Are we getting it? Okay, thank you so much. So that's when we call it a candlestick. So that's the explanation that I was talking about. If you find the colors used in to differentiate between bullish and candlestick, the field part of the candlestick is called is the real body. What I was talking about, this is just so you can read the notes, but I've already explained it on the previous. So we have okay, here we comes. This is now another topic. Let me change the color so that you understand it. Now let me use green. So now we are talking about the size, body size. So we have these four body sizes, as you can see. The first one, these first two things, these first ones, these first two candlesticks, as I explained above, you can see that these are the bullish. The open is here, open. Then here is the close. You can see it. Then these last two ones, you can see that these are bullish. The first one, this one is the what? Is the open. On top we have the open. Then downwards we have the close. We have the close here. So it makes it become a bullish candlestick. So the long board refers that there's a strong buying or selling pressure. This one, take note that if the candlestick is long like this one, it means that the buying pressure or the selling pressure is strong in the market. So if you see this candle with the closing, which is above with a long body, it means that the buying pressure, people were here, there were many people who were buying, and the candlestick was so long. So you must understand with the period of time that, which means that there were many traders, many buyers in the market. Then if there is a bullish candlestick in which the open is above, if the open is above the close with a long body, it means that the selling pressure or the sellers, the buying was what the pressure was too high. So this one is the bullish that I was talking about. And you see the open is on top and the close is downwards, and the candlestick is long, which means the selling pressure was controlling people. The way sellers were controlling the market, they were dominating in the market. So the short bodies, all these short bodies, they indicate these are short bodies that we're talking about. This one, short body, the one I'm circling, these are the short bodies we're talking about. It means that indicate that there's a little buying and a selling activity, that the buying pressure and the selling pressure is low. It's not that much higher or heavy as compared to the previous candles that I have been explaining. So it indicates in the little the activity of in the market, that activity of the in the market when you talk about buyers and sellers is low. The activity is little. Okay, so let's go as fast as we can. So today I will just talk about candlestick. Then tomorrow I'll explain in detail types of candlestick that we have. So take note as we move down. So the candlestick is also made up of a tail. The tail is sometimes on the upper and is also on the downward. So I have coffee. So the upper, the low, and the lower shadows gives us important information about trading season. So the tail tells us, gives us more about the trading season. There is a lot of information that we get from the tail. So the tail is also called the shadow. This one is what we call the tail. This one is what we call the tail. So, sorry for this one. So when we talk about the upper shadow signifies, or we can also call it a tail. The upper shadow signifies the season is high. The lower shadow signifies that the season is low. So the candlestick with long shadow shows that the trading action occurred well past the open and the close. So this one, we are being told, this one, you know what I was talking about. This is a black color, and you can see that the open is on this one. This one is our open, and this one is our close. So this one shows that this is a bearish candlestick, and this one is the close, and this one is the open, giving us the information that this is a bullish candlestick. So I will be repeating so that you understand. So this one gives us information about the trading season. If the shadow or the tail is long, it talks a lot, and you shall see the names of those candlesticks. They have got names because of those tails and their bodies size. So candlestick pattern, we are going to see more and more. You can't get into market just without information about the candlestick. So first of all, you need to know about the candlesticks. Then after knowing the candlestick, then you become a trader, a perfect trader about the market. So first of all, you must know that this candlestick that I'm seeing in the market, if you open your MetaTrader 5, so you can download the MetaTrader 5 in your computer or in your laptop, in your phone. Then you're going to see the candlestick, the pattern, the trend of the candlestick, that it is made up of candlesticks. So I'll be just explaining about the candlestick so that it makes easy and understandable. Sometimes you can make replace the candlesticks with lines or some of the patterns, but today I was just favored to use these things so that you understand it. So I think I can show you. Let me see if I'm sure that I can show you something about candlesticks, before we end our Zoom. Before we end our Zoom, I think I have something that I can show you. Okay, as it is loading. Okay, here we are. I'll show you something about candlesticks. I'll show you something about the candlestick so that you know that the market, the trend, the market is made up of candlesticks. Let's wait, let's be patient enough. As we wait for it to load, let us be patient enough. Okay, thank you so much for being patient. Is my MetaTrader 5 is loading. So I want you to understand this one, that these are the Japanese candlestick with the short shadow indicated that the most of the trading action was confined near the open and the close. If the candlestick a bit longer, okay, now it's opening. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being patient. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Okay, I will not show you much, but let me just show you the little, then we continue. So these are the candlesticks. As you can see, these are the candlesticks. We have this candlestick. This one is the open. This one is the bullish. You see, it's going up. The open was here and the close was here. This one, the open was here and the close was here. So these ones are the thing that makes up a market, that you can determine the trend of the market. You can determine whether the market is being dominated by sellers or buyers. This one in white color, you can see this one is the open and here's the close. As you can see, this is the movement. You can see how it is moving. It is opened here and it's moving down and it might close here, showing that this is a bearish, isn't it? Now it's moving up. Anyway, I think you've got something and I've explained something about it. So today we are going to end our lesson, our lecture today. We're going to end here as we have explained the structure. So this is called the structure of what? The structure of a candlestick and the meaning of a candlestick, so that you become a better trader. So thank you so much for joining and tuning in. Thank you so much also for being with us in this session. May God bless you. May the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with you wherever, so that you become a better trader. Thank you. Shalom. I sign out. Igniter Forex. Bye.